Okay, I wanted to give you just a little help with your homework because this is the first FRQ that you're looking at. So an FRQ is a free response question. It would be an FRQ from AP Chemistry, and you're taking pre-AP Chemistry. There's not a huge jump. Like, it's sort of like a pre-calculus and AP Calc class. We're learning the basics of chemistry right now to help us do better if we decide to take AP Chemistry. So when you're writing an FRQ, you have this criteria for success. So an excellent answer will have answered the question using relevant vocabulary or theory. I'm going to try for right now to give you a box that would help point you in the right direction. It's not going to give you the exact answer because you won't use all of these terms in your answer, but you might use some of them. So it's a reminder. The other part then is that you explained the term or the significance of the vocabulary or the theory that's stated. Like, you don't just say orbitals and that's it. You explain why orbitals would be important to answering the question, okay? So you're using this graph, which is pretty familiar from our lesson today. So if you are like, dang, I didn't see that, go back and look at your lesson and in the videos, because I definitely talked about this graph very specifically, and that's why I have it on your homework too. So what you're going to do for your homework then tonight is briefly, so 1 to 3 sentences, not like fragments, like an actual sentence. Explain why each of the following statements are true in terms of atomic structure. So if you're thinking atomic structure, you're thinking of these terms here. Protons could also be in there. Electrons is in there. So you can have those atomic structure terms, okay? So now here's the thing. You're going to have 4 statements. These are true statements, so please don't tell me they're true. This is not true or false. These are all true. You have to tell me why they are true. So it says, in general, there's an increase in the first ionization energy from lithium to neon. So tell me, why is that true that the ionization energy gets higher as we go from lithium to neon using these terms? These are the terms that you should be using to explain why that's in there. And then explain what those terms mean, okay? And so that's what you're looking at for this. If you get stuck on this, please look back at the exceptions video that's in our lesson, because I think that that would be a very big help to help you explain these answers and why they're true. If you get stuck, let me know, but please make sure that you don't tell me these are false. They are not false. All these statements are true.